Hi, so I took all the lack of blades off, which is here. No good at all. So they're going to go in the scrap. And the bolts is rounded off as well. So there we are. So I'm putting brand new blades on here. That's how you do it. Let's put the phone down. I can show you how you put them on. Same way I take them off. So the bolt goes in here like that. That goes on. That's wrong. That goes on here. Like that. That goes here like that. Then you put the nut on. And then that's how you do it. Then just do them up tight. Then they should be swinging around. There we are. And that's how you do them. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.